Your turn to take her out.
I was gonna take her out after the game.
How come every time it's your turn to take her out, she winds up shitting in the house?
It was a misunderstanding.
Oh, a misunderstanding. Like the time my mother called and you pretended to be the answering machine?
No, I meant to do that.
Oh.
Hi, I'm Pete, and this is my wife, Christina. I call her Chris. Chris and I have been married for about 5 years now, and it's going pretty well. I mean, except for the, well, you know. Anyway, relationships haven't always been that easy for me. Let's rewind a little bit. The first woman that I ever loved, unfortunately, didn't love me back. Maybe because she was a mermaid.
Yeah, it ain't gonna work.
Yeah! In my college years, I continued searching for love in all the wrong places. I discovered that dating was like a never-ending audition. Being myself was out of the question. I'm a rocket scientist. You, ever hear the Eiffel Tower? Me too. I used to be a backup dancer for Michael Jackson. So here I am, 26 years old. Same old bar, same old pickup lines. And then I saw her.
You can't stop me now.
Hey, I'm Pete.
Hi.
You have really nice tits. Eyes. I mean eyes. I knew this was it. I've met my match. She was like no one I had met before. I love the way she looks when she wakes up in the morning. I love the way she multitasks. I love the way she's kind to strangers.
Come on, you asshole! Oh, what blind guy gave you your license?
I love the way she cries during Titanic.
I'd never go with that promise. I promise.
This is gonna suck.
I'm sick of this. You never help out around the house. Why can't you be more like Tom?
What Chris and Maria both don't know is the reason why Tom is so happy is because he's sleeping with other women. Now, you might ask yourself, why is he hanging out with a scumbag like Tom? The thing is, when you get married, you can't hang out with single people anymore. It just doesn't work. Single people have their own language.
So this bitch sucked my dick, right? And I mean, this bitch can really suck a dick. And I'm like, oh shit. And her friend walks in, right? I have her here, and I'm have her going. And her friend walks in. She's like, yo, can I get a piece of that? And I'm like, fuck you, bitch. She's all mine. So she's really sucking my dick. And her friend comes in. Now they're both sucking my dick. And this is fucking amazing. Cause I cream first in one girl's fucking head, and I cream the other one. And it's fucking, it's just fucking great. I just wish, wow, it's just fucking great. I just hope to God that it just keep going. Wow! Whoa! Yeah!
So, you're probably thinking that marriage isn't such a good idea. But trust me, it's worth it. Why, you ask?
Why?
Because in life, you only get that one special person who understands you, that one person who will deal with all your bullshit, who sees you at your best and at your worst. That one person who will do anything for you. So here I am, 31 years old, and I'm pretty content with my life. I finally have this whole marriage thing figured out. It's gonna be smooth sailing from here, right, babe?
I'm pregnant.